The trailer hitch cover on the 2018-2024 Ford Expedition conceals the receiver hitch when not in use, protecting it from dirt and debris. Removal is simple and requires minimal tools. First, park the vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Locate the cover beneath the rear bumper. The cover is typically secured by two plastic push pins on either side. Insert a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool into the pinholes and gently pry out the push pins. Once the pins are removed, pull the cover downward to detach it from the bumper clips. In colder climates, the plastic pins can become brittle. Lubrication with silicone spray can aid removal and prevent breakage. Replacing the hitch cover begins with aligning the new cover with the mounting points on the bumper. Push the cover upward until it snaps securely into the bumper clips. Secure the cover by reinserting the plastic push pins into the pinholes. Ensure the pins are fully seated to prevent the cover from detaching during driving. If the original pins are damaged, replace them with new ones from Ford dealers or online retailers. Inspect the hitch for rust or damage and apply a rust inhibitor if necessary. Aftermarket options with LED lights or wireless sensors are available for customization.